So here is another. Hello Sweetie, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a very quick unboxing video, which is going to be the Huda Beauty products unboxing. It is a mini haul, I would say, because there was a sale going on their products and I purchased some products. So I just wanted to share my haul with you guys. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, so this is the package which I am going to unbox today. So this is how it came. Here we have my address and the other details. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe because I'm going to review all these products individually and I'm going to make many review videos and tutorials. So you have a lot more to see in future. So don't forget to subscribe. So now moving towards the unboxing of my haul. So firstly I will open up the package. I have opened the seals and all because I was very impatient and I opened the package, but I packed it again to film the unboxing video. So this is how I received the package. You can see. So let me take out the first product. So it actually came in this kind of packaging, which is basically made by paper. So it's plastic free and it is eco-friendly. So they are not using plastic, which is good for environment. So now taking out the first product, which is this. This is Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So this is how their primer looks like. This is the tube. It comes in a tube packaging and it has 30 ml of product in it. So the next product is their bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Wedding Day. And the third product is very cute. This is their mini power bullet lipstick in the shade Girls Trip. Basically, I just wanted to test out the formula of the mini lipsticks and also the quantity of the mini ones. And actually, I was not sure about this shade. Either it will suit me or not. So I just thought I should try a mini one. So I might review this on my channel. If you guys want to see any of these products individually, in a review or in a tutorial, then you can surely comment down below. I will definitely make a video on that. So now the second, third, okay, sorry, the fourth product is this Tantor Contour and Bronzer Cream. So this is their cream contour. The packaging is literally amazing. I'm not sure about the quality, I haven't used it yet, but the packaging is very nice. It has a feel. I mean, I'm just obsessed with the packaging. You guys can see this glass effect. This is very pretty. It has a lid on it, and here's the product. I have just swatched it and it is quite dark for me. I mistakenly got a darker shade. So let's see how I will work with it because I got it in the shade tan and I am in the shade medium. So it's quite dark for me. So let's see how it's gonna work. So now this package is empty.
Two hours later.
Okay, now moving towards more products. I'm just obsessed with the packaging, you guys can see. And I'm very excited as well because I just love Huda Beauty products and I just love their packaging. I love unboxing them. I love using them. I just love having them in my vanity. So yeah, now moving towards more products. So here is another. So this is the next product. I got their baby bake loose baking and setting powder. So it's their mini setting powder because I have a lot of powders in my vanity already, and especially my Coty Aspen one is a huge jar and I haven't used it yet. And I don't really use powders much because I'm a dry skin person. So I just wanted to test this out. So I just got this and I got it in the shade blonde and it has 6 grams of product which is enough for me. So now I'm taking this out very carefully and now I have foundations and concealer. So here are the foundations. So this is the Fox Folder foundation and this is their Overachiever concealer. So foundation contains 35 ml of the product and the concealer has 10 ml product. Okay, so now I'm taking out more products. So here are their eyelashes. And as I've already told you that there's a sale going on their website, so there were no more lash styles available. So I just got the style Sasha 11 and these both eyelashes are same. These are actually very dramatic kind of eyelashes. The quality looks very pretty, but the style is very dramatic. It's not gonna look natural at all. But yeah, I'm gonna love it because I love wearing dramatic eyelashes whatsoever. So now moving towards the final product, which is definitely my favorite, and I'm super excited for this one, which is their palette. I already have their retrograde palette and their rose gold palette, and I was waiting for some sales or something to get my hands on this one. And now I finally got this palette. So I just can't wait to open this and show you guys the shades. This is how it looks like. This palette has very pretty shades. I would say this purple, this retrograde shade, this blood moon, amber. All the shades are very pretty. I'm super excited to create some amazing looks with this palette. I have swatched it because as I already told you that I was very impatient and I opened the package and test out all the products and I'm really excited to create some looks with this. I haven't used it in any of my look so far, but I am very excited. Okay, so the final thing which I got is this sample card which has their new water jelly hydrating primer. So in this drop kind of shape, there is the product. It's very less. It's just for one-time application. I think that if they are just giving the samples for testing, at least they should give the product for using 2 to 3 times at least so that someone can use it, see the results, and fall in love with the product because it's really necessary for people to fall in love with a product, then they'll definitely purchase it. So it's actually very less, but I will definitely use this and see how it works for me. And if you guys want to see my reviews on this sample or any other product or some tutorials from this palette, then please comment down below. I would love to make any of your requested videos. And if you want me to make any other creative look or from any other palette, from Jaclyn Hill palettes or any other makeup brand, you can definitely comment down below. I will try my level best to make all your requested videos. So this was all about this video. I hope you like it and I hope you have subscribed my channel. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely come up again with amazing content, definitely useful content. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.